Welcome to Computer Repair Store Software. We'll try to explain how does this work. This software is easy to use. Before you actually use it, you need to do some simple setup. It's easy to install using the CD-ROM provided to you or the download link provided to you. Click on Setup and follow the simple instructions. After the setup, log in to the software and start using it. You need to do some initial setup, add inventory and service items and repair items. Add some fault codes, repair codes, and set up your term. You can set up receipt printer and the report printer. After this, you can create work order and you are ready to use it. You can provide estimate or provide invoice. You can sell items, parts in your repair store. For example, if your accessory or the phone, you can also sell it. Beside, you use this software for repairing phone or computers or electronics. So here are some simple frequently asked questions. If you have more questions, contact us. We will answer your questions. Contact us at the provided phone number or contact your vendor.
Repair Store Experts software. Before using Repair Store Experts software, we need to do some initial setup. We need to set up fault codes, repair codes, product description, manufacturer, technician, repair status, repair terms, company setup, message on receipt and logo, customer setup. We need to set up customer for sale and work order. It is easy to set up new customer. We need to set up inventory for service, parts and sale items. Creating inventory is easy. It is two steps process. In step 1, you need to create department. And in step 2, you need to create items. You can easily add new items. In items section, fill in the information and save. Once inventory is set up, you are ready to create a new work order or estimate. And you can
creating a work order or estimate. When customer arrived with his repair item, you can create work order. That will serve as estimate. When customer sign and approve work, you can save work order. You can select customer, add info about item. Fill in other information that are related to this repair. You can select technician, status, terms, estimated date out. Location this item will be located after repair and notes. This will not print, but note for your reference description a short note about the problem with the item, which customer have brought for repair. Add complaint, that is fault code. Add repair details. Add any parts or diagnosis charges required to complete this repair. After the save it, take deposit and print receipt. Confirm you want to print receipt. This will be saved as open work order. If the customer is paying by his in-house account, an email will be sent to his email address. How to close an open work order. When customer come to pick up his repair items, you can charge the due amount and release his repaired item by clicking on Close Work Order. Confirm you want to print receipt. This receipt will be saved. If the customer is at your repair store and want to buy some item or part without, this can be performed by POS sale. Sell the items and accept payment. Confirm you want to print receipt. Print receipt and give it to customer. This will be saved and you can view and reprint.